Hello children, today in the online session we learn about the topic that is lesson number 4, your own book of science, subject English. In this we learn about some of the concept that we are going to revise again through this video. Hailing, Hailing, hailing. Sometimes, as we know, we have seen rainfall in the month of June, July, August and September, but sometimes in the summer season there is a rainfall, यानी summer season में कभी कभी बारिश होती है. So that only not contains of raindrops, that means not only a rain but sometimes it contains ice. So that is called as a hailing. So let's go through this. Hailing. In summer, it starts raining, small ball of ice fall, it is called as a hailing. So in the summer season, it starts raining and during that rain, the small ball of ice fall, it is called as a hailing. This is the concept which you can learn easily with the mind map. ये concept आप mind map से easily learn कर सकते हो. In summer, it starts raining, small ball of ice fall, it is called as a hailing. Then why is it hailing in the summer season? यानी समर सीजन में ही बर्फ़ की बारिश क्यों होती है, जिसे हम लोग मराठी में गारा बोलते हैं. See, on the land the temperature is very hot in summer season. It's the land in the summer season the temperature is very hot. But as we move up, यानी जैसे जैसे हम लोग ऊपर जाते हैं, as we move up टेम्परेचर फॉल डाउन, यानी टेम्परेचर जो होता है यहाँ पे जो हॉट होता है वो ऊपर जाते जाते टेम्परेचर कूल होते जाता है. ओके, टिल वी रीच टू द क्लाउड्स, यानी क्लाउड्स तक पहुँचने तक वो टेम्परेचर फॉल डाउन होता है, यानी कम होते जाता है टेम्परेचर और कूल होता है. सो वॉट एवर द वाटर पार्टिकल्स दैट आर इन द क्लाउड, दैट वाटर पार्टिकल्स टर्न इन टू आइस बिकॉज द क्लाइमेट इज अ कूल, द टेम्परेचर इज अ कूल, यानी टेम्परेचर कूल होने की वजह से वाटर पार्टिकल्स टर्न इन टू आइस. Okay, now I am explaining again. On the land, the temperature is very hot in summer season. As we move up, temperature fall down. Temperature fall down. यानी temperature कम होता है. So the water particles in the clouds turn into ice, and that's why it's a hailing in the summer season. Okay. Now the one more thing is there, that is a hailstones. So what is a hailstones? The tiny balls of ice turn into bigger size is called as hailstones. यानी जो छोटे छोटे आइस के बॉल्स होते हैं that turns into a bigger size of ice, so that is called as a hailstones. As we know, what is the raining? Raining means fall of raindrops, and the hailing means fall of small ice balls, and the hailstorms, that means the hailstones. When there is the rainfall of a hailstone, that is called as a hailstorms. यानी hailstones की जो बारिश होती है, that is called as a hailstorms. And what the hailstorms can do? Hailstorm can cause damage. यानी hailstorms damage कर सकते, नुकसान कर सकते किस चीज़ों का? Crops, plants and the animals. So hailstorm can cause damage to crops, plants and the animals. So I hope that you are going to learn these three things, and this is the very easiest to keep in the mind or remember this.